I'm going to show you how to create crop marks in Adobe Illustrator. So here's my file, and we have it set up to be a trifold that's 8.5 by 11 wide. And we were using these slates that we downloaded from the internet, so they're already pretty much set up with the bleed and everything. So if you notice where my ruler is, I'm going to create a new layer and call it crop marks. So you'll notice that my ruler is set to 0, 0, where I need to set it. So it's set to 0, 0 because it's giving me a 1/8 inch bleed all around. So the gray area is the bleed. So the trim area is this blue line. So we need to create a line that goes around that blue line. And the quick way to do it is to just grab a rectangle, and then we want to tell it to be a size. So I'm going to go over here and say the width is 11 and the height is 8.5. And I want to position it so the X is going to be 0.125. and the Y is going to be the same thing, 0.125. So it's looking like it's not lining up quite right, but usually these numbers work. So let's see here. So the width should be 11, and the X should be 0.125. And then the Y is 0.125. Okay, perfect. So see, you can see here it's lined up perfectly. All right. So we have that one done, and then we want to create one for over here as well. So I'm just going to duplicate this and move it over here. But you'll notice that the rulers look different until you click on this page over here. So again, we want to put it in the general area and then set it to be exact. So 0.125. And that's 125, and that's 8.5 by 11. So I think that looks good. That's perfect. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. So now I have my crop marks for each page. I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to go into Effect, Crop Marks. And you'll notice that they created little faded crop marks for each one. And that's all you need to do. The next thing is we don't want these things to show up, so we're just going to get rid of the outline and the color, but let the layer be there, okay, and we'll lock that down. So there's nothing to print. We'll turn these layers off, we'll turn our artwork on, and then we'll go File, Save As, PDF, and we want to save it as a press ready PDFX 1A 2001. And then we want to click on compression, let's see, marks and bleeds, select all, and then turn off trim marks. And we want our offset to be 0.125, and then use the document bleed settings, and then save PDF. All right, then let's go look at that PDF. Okay, our PDF is here, so I'm just going to open it. And you can see I have my crop marks now. I have my color bars. I see I have a bleed here, and that's the first page. And I go to the second page, same thing is there. And just double checking that my A isn't moving anywhere, and that looks perfect. So I'm done.